up? It's your girl Chelse, and I'm back again with another video. Oh my god. So if you guys don't notice, I pointed this out in my last video. Make sure you guys watch that video. It was actually a makeup video, but I got burnt. If you didn't know, I got burnt at work. So yeah, I'm fine now, but like, look at it, it's healing somewhat, but whatever. Anyway, as I was saying, welcome back to another video. And how you guys doing on this beautiful rainy day? Because it's raining outside. Well, where I'm at, it's raining outside. But anyway, blah 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 blah, because I'm over talking. So yeah, so today I'm just gonna do like a soft glam look, you know, soft natural look, whatever, you know. Probably like something that I would wear outside than the dramatic stuff that I would do like in my videos. So yeah, if my face is looking really oily, it's because, you know, I have some primer and, you know, I hydrated my skin, so we looking nice. Got my bonnet on because, you know, I like wearing my bonnet. And yeah, so before we get started in this video, make sure you are subscribed to the Chelle Squad, okay? And make sure you like, share, and comment on all of my videos, and this one too. Alright, and I just want to say thank you to my new and old subscribers. I love you guys. Keep up the good job and keep on subscribing, because you know I'm coming with more videos on top of more videos on top of more videos. Okay? Okay, cool. Without further ado, let's get started in this video. Hold on. Disclaimer right now, because y'all already know I'm not finna talk in this video. Y'all already know, because when I do my makeup, sis. I don't talk in my makeup videos unless it's really important and I just want to chit chat and I want y'all to hear me talk. But other than that, I'm not talking in this video. So I'm gonna be on my phone and I'm gonna be searching stuff and whatever and doing, hold on, I'm doing whatever, because, you know, I got things to do. So yeah, but without further ado, let's get into this video. Should I pan it out this way or this way? I don't know. Or maybe up or go down. Oh my god, that was too high. Maybe up or go down. But make sure you guys are subscribed to the Chelle Squad, and I'll see you guys later when I'm finished. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I'm finished with this beat. Your girl had to get a little cute had to get a little cute. Okay, if the whole lighting is different, it's because I'm using my phone because my camera died. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys love this video, and don't forget, you guys, be a part of the Chelse squad. We are almost close to 100 subscribers, probably more now. I don't know, I haven't checked, but I just want to say thank you for those 100 subscribers, and let's continue on building, you guys. And I appreciate all of my new subscribers and all of my old subscribers. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, Chelse squad.